Hi everybody, my name is Dalton, otherwise known as Instructor D. I will be showing you how to do your low air warning. Okay, first and foremost, my wheel is chuck. Then switch on the indicator. I'm waiting until the indicator lights go. Here I'm watching it. Okay, the indicator's light go. Start my engine. Now I'm going to make sure that my air pressure is at 100 psi. And here we go. I'm revving. Okay, my air pressure is at 100 psi. My low air warning should activate at 55 psi. Below 55 psi is a major defect and the truck will be out of service. Now I'm going to press the service brake until the warning light comes on. Here we go. Pressing the brake and let's go the brake. Press and let go, press and let go, press and let go until the warning light chips in. Now the warning light chips in, right? And my low air warning activated at 65 psi. Safe and secure. Like, share, subscribe. See you soon.